guys, so sorry I'm late. Hey, I'm sorry.
Why are you all sweaty and out of breath?
I'm not out of breath.
No, you're out of breath, man.
Yeah, I was just walking here. Because I went on a journey, guys. Like a journey.
It's just the Upper East Side, Sam.
No, I am out of breath, aren't I? I'm like really out of breath. I don't know why. I was taking my time. Because I was, it's just like, what? Oh, I was eating while I was walking. That's what it was.
You know you're not supposed to be doing that.
I know. Okay, guys, guys. On the stairs of the train, there's a sheet cake just face down on the stairs.
Aw, that's sad.
Cake just fell.
That's sad.
Aww.
Cake! What happened to you? So I stood there for a while and I was like, oh god. And then I got on the train. I'm on the train, and this Chinese family walks in. And I'm like, is that a family or are those children? They were children, not a family, right? So then they stand right here. They're standing right here, and I'm like, why are you standing so close? Come on, there's no one on this train. And then I realized they smelled a lot like Chinese food. And I was like, ugh! Then I was like, oh, I like Chinese food, So I just sort of like turned my head, just like took a whiff of it, and I was like, that's beautiful.
What? Yeah. What?
Yeah, the journey. There's a big journey here.
Sam, that wasn't a journey in any way, shape, or form.
You guys want pot stickers though?
You were an hour late. What happened?
What? Sometimes you like take a shower and then you lay on your bed in your towel for a little too long and then you're on Wikipedia and you get in this wormhole and you end up on the Wikipedia page for bees for like 35 minutes.
You always do that.
That shit happens, man. That shit happens every
It shouldn't be happening.
day.
How do they do it?
No shit, right? They're great.
New episodes every Wednesday! Subscribe! You're the coolest, you know that? Yeah, you knew that. You asshole. Thanks for watching, I love you.